Hello, I'm Yasmin Ahmed, lecturer at Dada Boy Institute of Higher Education. Many times we come across a very common phrase, my loved one has a hole in the heart. This is what we are going to discuss today. Atrial septal defect. This is the condition when a hole is in the heart top two chambers. If the hole is present in the lower two chambers, it will be known as ventricle septal defect. Do you know that one among the 770 babies born in the United States has atrial septal defect? Our heart has four chambers. The upper two chambers are the right and left atrium. The two bottom chambers are the right and left ventricles. All four chambers are completely separated from each other. Atrial septal defect is hole in between the top two chambers, that is right and left atrium. Atrial septum defect is present at the time of birth. Thus, it is congenital, that is present at the time of birth. A smaller defect or hole is not problematic and heal as the child grows. Larger holes damage heart and lungs and overall child development, thus they should be taken seriously. Now let's see how atrial septal defect develop. The exact cause of atrial septal defect is not known. However, clinical scientists believe it is the development defect and hole arises due to malfunctional at the early stage of development of the heart. Now I will like to share with you the symptoms of atrial septal disease. Please see a doctor if your child has one of the following symptoms: swelling of body parts like mainly feet, leg, and abdomen, irregular heartbeats, easily exhausted and tired, feel breath shortness. Let's look at some of the treatments for atrial septal defect. The ultimate treatment for atrial septal defect is the repair of the hole through surgical procedures. Medicine are just to relieve symptoms associated with atrial septal defect associated health-related issues. Atrial septal defect shorten the lifespan of an individual. Thank you for your valuable time. Let's join hands together to help those who are suffering. This is a small initiative by Dada Boy Institute of Higher Education to let people know that we are together as a community.